In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Typeform and Clickfunnels. By the end, you'll have your Typeform responses flowing automatically into Clickfunnels using an automation tool, so you don't have to move data by hand or worry about missing leads. First, we're going to use Zapier to connect the two apps. Zapier is a popular automation platform that listens for something to happen in one app and then performs an action in another. Make sure you can log in to both your Typeform and your Clickfunnels accounts in separate tabs because you'll be asked to authorize them. Open Zapier and start a new Zap. A Zap has two parts, a trigger and an action. For the trigger, click where it says Trigger and search for Typeform. Select Typeform, then choose the event you want Zapier to listen for. Most people use New Entry, which fires every time someone submits your form. Click to connect your Typeform account, and when Zapier asks for permission, allow access so it can read your forms and entries securely. Next, configure the trigger settings. Choose the specific Typeform you want to monitor. If your form has multiple fields, that's fine. Zapier will pull sample data so you can see what's coming through. This helps you confirm you've selected the right form and that the fields look correct. With the trigger set, move to the action. Click where it says Action and search for Clickfunnels. Select Clickfunnels, then pick the event that matches what you want to happen in your funnel, such as creating or updating a contact or adding someone to a specific list. Now connect your Clickfunnels account. Authorize Zapier when prompted so it can write data to your funnels. Configure the action by choosing the exact funnel, step, or list you want to use. Then map your Typeform fields to the corresponding fields in Clickfunnels, email to email, name to name, and any custom fields you use. This mapping ensures the right information lands in the right place. If you collect optional fields in Typeform, you can leave those unmapped or point them to custom fields in Clickfunnels. Zapier typically offers a way to preview a sample. Use that preview to confirm everything looks accurate, then save your configuration. When you're confident it's set the way you want, turn the Zap on so it runs automatically in the background. That's it. You've created a seamless connection where Typeform submissions trigger actions in ClickFunnels, helping you follow up faster and keep your funnel